Hi everyone, I'm so glad that I managed to get the stove. So I'm just going to open for everyone to see. So this comes directly from the factory. It's been so exciting. We got the size. So here is size 24, exactly like one. So I don't really see much imperfection. Okay, so it's just minor. Just say this, just a minor. And we've got the brass color that everyone can see. So if you want to see, there's not much imperfection. I would say it's perfect. Under the light, do we see any imperfection? No, I don't think anything there. So this is one. So then we have the stove. Taking out that. Okay. And so here we have with the book. Okay. And the stove. So you can see some of this, which is just packaging issues. This is definitely not the, so it looks good. So I'm just going to take it out. I want to see. Oof. It's really heavy. Oh. Okay. Okay, so let's do this. This here. Oh. Okay. So what do we have here? So we have the stove where it's it looks really amazing. You can see it. Let's see. Oh, I don't like it. It was really good. So I don't really see much imperfection here. So this is just a dust. Let me see, it just disappears. Nothing much. It's quite dusty, but I think it's okay. So, and what we can see is, funny is the back, it looks like, some green color compared to the red. You can see under the light. So it's quite heavy. So let's see. Good colors. So with that, you have that. Oof. So there you go. My first stove. And I really love it. Thank you for watching, and I'm gonna update this when I start to bake my bread tonight. Yep. So if you look at it, right? So usually a bread and goes up to 11, 12. So just this just gives you the good height. And if you have some ears as well, it's not going to, you know, spoil your stuff. So size-wise, something that I really want for a long time. And yeah, there you go. My first stove. I'm so happy with it. Thank you so much for watching my channel. See you again. And for now, I'm just going to clean it first. Do read the book if you don't understand how to actually, or if it's your first time,